Hi guys, in this video I'm going to take a look and review the Miracase for your iPhone 12 Pro, and this one here is a full body protective case. I've got two different colors here, the navy blue and this one here is marble pink, and they are fully enclosed, so you place your phone inside, and there is also an attached tempered glass. So this is a tempered glass at the top as well, and so you have you are pretty much protecting your device fully, the back, the side, as well as the front. And let's take a look and see how well this one is built. So I'm just going to try to remove the top here. This is navy blue, so let's have a look at this one first. So I'm just trying to detach the top cover. So here I'm just going to get it out. Just be gentle, you don't want to break the tempered glass, so do not force it, just go slowly. It's a really nice color. The case is strong. Okay, so you can see here the case is quite thick on this one here. So while it's thick, but the rubber, the side rubber is quite soft. This one here is quite hard. And if you look through here, you can see how thick it is. So this should give your phone a very good protections. Seems like there is no air pockets on the corner. Some of the design, they have some air pocket on the corner. This one here, it doesn't. Not to worry too much. Okay, so this one here you need to peel out. This is a kind of like a screen protector. Feel like plastic to me, not glass, but it should work. So there is also this cleaning aid kit come with the package, so you should give it a clean before you start. So we got some alcohol wipe. So this is to clean off the dust before we begin. So rub off any dust, and then we're just going to use the dry cloth to make sure your phone is dry. It is also best that you work in an area where there is not much dust, because the dust can keep coming back to the screen. Okay, so be very careful not to attract any more dust at this point. And then we're going to peel off the cover. So once you start peel this one off, do not put your hand on it, because it will have fingerprints. So just as soon as you take this one out, you want to immediately place it on your phone. So have the phone sit on top like that. So as soon as you take off, put your phone on immediately. This will stop the dust from coming in. Now there is also a cover at the top that you can peel out. We do that later on. So now let's put the top into the case. So this is the top part right here. Also, I just want to show you the side before I put it in. This side here is hard plastic. It's also quite thick, so already this plastic gives your side a layer of protection. And then we put the case to protect it on the back. So we're going to put it in. It's quite a lovely case. At an affordable price, you can have your iPhone 12 or the 12 Pro protected. So you go around all the edge and make sure that it is fully closed. And finally, once you are ready, you can peel off this cover. And this is what it looks like at the back. So it's beautiful blue, and the raising here at the top is quite high. It's actually above the camera lens, so you can see here. So it's quite good. This one is have a high level of raised bezel, so that when you place your phone down on the table like this, your camera won't get rubbed or get scratches. So that is another good thing. Now over here you can see there is quite a big gap between your phone and the case, so I guess this can act like as an air pocket, so that if your phone kind of like fall down on the table or on the cement ground, it can act as a shock absorber. And the buttons are quite important. If it's some cases the buttons can be quite hard to press, but with this one here it is nice and gentle. You can see if I just press it gently, it will turn on the screen and turn off. So the buttons are beautifully made so that it's not too hard to press. So the volume up and volume down key again are quite nice and easy to press, very gentle. The cutting of the hole right here are quite well done. You have plenty of space to put your finger in to turn on the silent key on or off, like so. So there's quite a lot of space, quite useful if you have long fingernails. You can easily just put it in here to turn on the silent switch on or off. And then the cutting down at the bottom here. So the cutting for the speakers and for the microphone are quite nice as well. It is nice and rounded, and it is cut to fit perfectly, just to expose the hole right here, so that enough sound can come out and enough sound to come into the microphone. Also, the cutting around your charging port is quite big, because some charger plugs are quite big. Sometimes they if this is too small, sometimes it can be difficult to plug in your charger cables. Again, this is not the right one for the phone. Here is the Apple Lightning cables. With the Apple Lightning cables, you can see the plug is quite small, but some third party, sometimes the plastic around the Lightning port right here, sometimes this part here can be quite big, and if the cutting are small, sometimes it doesn't actually fit in. But with this one here, you should have no problem, because they are quite big. And yeah, so at the back here, it is kind of like not hard plastic. It's not like hard. It's kind of like it's not also soft. It's kind of like in the middle between hard and soft. So you can, when you hold your phone, you have a very good grip to the phone. You don't feel like it's going to slide out easily. And I believe this case here will last quite a long time. It feels like it's quite well built, a very good quality case. Now this is the blue one, and this is the pink one. It is exactly the same. So I'm just going to put the font on as well. So if you like the pink color, then you can see what it looks like. Okay, here we got the pink one. Again, I'm just going to peel it out. Again, make sure your phone is no dust, and there's no dust on the screen. If there is, just simply swipe it off like this. And then we're just going to place it inside. We have the top part go on the top like that. And then we're just going to put it inside the case. So this is the pink, marble pink. Again, a very beautiful color, marble pink. On the old device, such as the iPhone 6s or the iPhone 7, this color is like rose pink. So just go around the edge, make sure it is fully closed, and then peel off the cover. So this is what it looks like. Let's see how responsive on the screen as well. So it looks good. So if I see if I can drag this icon along, so quite responsive to the touch, even with the cover on like this. Done. Just going to open up a note and then see if I can type in, so you can see how responsive when you are typing on the key. Okay. Excuse my typing skill. So you can see it's quite responsive. And there's no bubbles, so there's no bubbles on the screen when I put the case against the top part here. You can see there are no bubbles forming up on the screen, so it's quite nice. And you know, once I have this case on, pretty much I can feel quite comfortable dropping the phone. It won't break. I know this is not a very high drop, but still I can feel quite comfortable dropping the phone, and that the case kind of like will protect from breaking. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, you may notice the cutting at the top here is quite spot on for the camera, speakers, and other various sensors right here. Thank you for watching.